Drone mapping, or drones in general, provide a unique perspective of the world that we are not used to. Because humans, we're used to analyzing, assessing, or even observing our areas at the ground level. So when we are provided with an aerial perspective, we are being exposed to different types of information that we are not used to. Now, this type of drone technology has been available since the early 2000s and even the late 2010s, where new drones are being released almost every year, and the technology is always improving. Now, as the technology improves, the more things we see on the ground. Now, when people become aware of what is in our surroundings or in our environment, we will be able to make wise choices and wise decisions regarding how to interact with our environment and also how to take care of it. So when people see a drone image or even a drone map or a map generated by a drone, we will be able to understand more how climate change is impacting us, how our pollution as humans in domestic waste, industrial waste, can affect our respective communities.